What's up you guys, it's your boy PRINCEZACH and I'm back in the place with another epic video for today. I've been doing this most embarrassing moment. Let me change the voice from tone because I can't really say how to do this video, but I have to do it because it was a dare. So come on, living dare me tell a story time that is the most embarrassing thing in my life. Couldn't believe. But it's a dare, I'm stay true to my dare, you see me? So the story time is that oh with the two wickedest thing. Bun toad cheese. Bun without cheese, oh. Look at it. Oh, we get end of it. Bun dog, you see me? Got him. Yo, it's an offline now, I don't know, every day I'm mocking about the same thing, every day I'm mocking about film one, you see me? So, the competition is that him claim to say, I post this video, and him claim to say, that video then I'm going to reach 500 subscribers, that he say. So you reach 500 subscribers, I lose, and I post this. And if him lose, you have to post film moment, which is him the one the him overconfident them about me I win this, you do me know. That's what I'm talking about. Anyways, I build the video because as I reach 500 I got drop it. You see me? As I reach 500 it's between Sunday, that's a lot yesterday, and Monday, which is today, and Tuesday. See then 3 days the pass. As 12 o'clock Tuesday night, Thailand lose it. If I reach 500 subscribers, doom. If I reach 500 today, doom. Reach it tomorrow, doom. What you see after that? Nothing now, nothing. No win, and him lose and him doom. So, I hope you enjoy it and remember like, share, and subscribe. Look how long I do intro for, but you can't lose it every day, but I have to do it, you see me? You see me? So, hope you enjoy it, like, share, and subscribe. I'm out. Yes, so I'm forward back now. It's only 2 times. You see me people 2 times. 2 times. You never get it. So, I tell my 2 story them. If I lie, comment section, I'm going to mash up the call and say if I lie, you know how did it to write it through. So, you can't lie, I'm not going to lie. Maybe this is embarrassing, but I have to do it. But on YouTube, I like how YouTube, you see me? Key for this city. You see me? I'm here like this city. So, let's start off with the first one. Well, I think back about it. Not anyone beside that. So, now I call the girl by her name, as soon as I give her the special name. I call her like Tatiana, yeah. Tatiana, I call her Tatiana out the blue face, you see me? Bust down Tatiana, yes, that's what I call her. First person now. Name Tatiana. Just a talk about that, and that is not a real name, and I don't know if it's not a real name. Tatiana. So, that me had I made Zini at the beginning. That me had a mix. So, this is one run on my inbox. So I say, check out her page. So, wow, she have vibes, she can dance, and she can do everything. Wicked, me I tell you. She just, listen. You know, I say, she was she that text me, what you do with me, remember? She that text me everything. It's alright, she said she wait me. So I asked that link on the app to know, instead of the DM, instead of Instagram, and link on the app. Now she said she rate me, and she woke her attention, I'm really time, now I like. You see me? So I say, alright. Slightly. So I tell her, just put 2 lips and blah blah blah. She said yes. I start there. So if you know, I just run some live at night time, you see me, she get funny. She used to run some live and sometimes she take the page on live and people will see it. Some person if you know how do not comment the person name in the comment section, please don't beg if you watch this, do not comment your name as well. You don't have to do it. So I used to run some live. Thank you very much there. Yeah, it. Exactly. Some far back now, where was I? I don't know. Most family there. I don't know where I run some for like That's the way I went on live. And I just went on live and chat about one more things. But I remember what? I get about it. I try to get them. I just cut some things that are necessary and I just put in the main piece them where like I got to the drama. So it's like say I have this group right now, this Instagram sitting here come up. No. She claim to say, I'm tell her now, I'm tell her, this the group of people them now which believes they are lie, she that tell me. She used to come up to her and I talk about say, why them a deal with her man? Them a deal with me, which me and them man and me don't know about that. I must say why we are dealing with her man. You see me? And then she was say I film me and she and blah blah blah. They don't get a fight about things, but when I believe that a lie. And when she believes that a lie, I never believe her about that. She said, which pitney? She claims this is some war pitney and group of pitney and I'm to come to her constantly. And I say, which pitney? No name, no forward, no nothing. Me know, this is a man who research for everything. I'm going to pick out people, I'm going to find people them easily because I'm a key now with that. But there's something I figure out say you, and even though you're bad not going to know say you, but I just know say you by just looking at you and know your style and how you move. So I start to call people, but I don't find nobody. We know it's so that's why I say it's a lie. We don't find nobody, we're going to do that. You see me? So, she came to send me a good one. In which I do the things there, a lawyer, young soldier. Link when I talk to them, it was Karma, it was Skyland, yes, Skyland Link. Skyland talk to her and she calm, I was start worry about food. I don't know what Skyland say. I don't know. So like so now, couple weeks pass, everything good, chat. Oh shit, I forgot this story. After a couple weeks past now, all gone. Alright, after a couple weeks past now, it was like this. Start over here, you see me? And then this group that used to come up, this little Instagram picture come up and start expose people. Then things they saw me now. And I said, Jaja, I want more people to expose, you see me? And then it just go cool. It got cool, it expose everybody and say, I, you see me? I'm not hype. Just keep my swags up to date, you see me? I'm outdated, just keep myself steady, you see me? So it's like say, Instagram go cool. So me now I'm kind of worried say, we are doing Instagram things and people are watching our channel and everything and cool, and then I want to say something about me which I go live. So we never expect that. So we did expect them to say something about one of the two, but we never have nothing about to say. So this is what they said about me. And comment, then tag me name point and say, if me not tired for Tatiana, give me both.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What?
Cool. Yes, I'm just saying that some of this side. Some of you could some start saying, we don't answer. Because things that eyes are falling, and I'm look at iPad for my name, some of the slow that shit tell them because they don't make nothing. So, I'm joining our inbox. I said to you, I say, why you see the name of call tonight? She said, no one really know me and you want to call me. People are calling me. She claimed the session and I'm not bored that. Okay. This big argument broke out. My next girl, so this random person now come on the inbox and I talk to me. And I tell me about, things about her dog. And the thing that shot the freaking most out of me is that this. Just you know. Yo, Johnny wants to have it. I want to say this by YouTube, but just you know. God. Jaja. Because we can't say it by YouTube, we can't say it, we really can't say it, brother. We can't say it. And if you don't know, she did all along, you see. But we can't say it now. She's very nice and not a disrespectful person, I'm really told. So I know star, this is one freaked up deal. We can't be some allowed to kind of ridiculous things. But anyways, sorry bro. The thing that catch me off guard the most is that somebody say the girl breathe for me. Over for me about just have just make it over me. It's like she have a picnic. She just post it on her Instagram about me things say, you know, like how my roll my cousin very much and people things say on my picnic and they roll them very, very close. And it's small and me ever have him everywhere me they like when I go with my uncle me ever have him up on me and post my everything. Somebody just say, hey probably a little news or sister about somebody say I feel happy and then text her and say, you happy? You to find out, yes, see I know. You know man, little young speech and me a little home and say, Jaja, I have to be a stepfather. Father gives. I have to be a stepfather. So you say, no. You ready for that? We're not in Tuesday. So me now, just jump back in the car, put it in reverse, and cut. And cut. So, Kyle and I always just say, I told him about the reason why I want to say the story time is just that between you just get a child, you see me? You just get a child, and minute that you never know. And you look like a dove this, so a dove. There's like you read a dove on my Instagram page, you ever check it out, IG, follow me on IG, PRINCEZACH, dove. Oh boy, my favorite word, dove. So I look like a dove there, so brother, nah lie. Look, dove out, big time. I say, brother, the girl, breathe for me dog, serious mates brother. Shaja, you should breathe before me meet her dog, but nothing wrong if I have a child about January star, you should tell me before me alright, but you tell me not about it. The roof. Because I'm constantly about to me about it and breathe out. So is that what happened? You see me? So I'm stop laughing now, that go on. Yeah, that go on. If I call and tell a story time when they'll probably hear it. January star, I'm going to shut no more. So yes. I'm out. My bad people hope you enjoyed. Yellow. Ain't going nowhere, people. Psych ain't going nowhere. I have part 2 to it. I have another part to this, bro. It's 2 persons. There's only 2. You have the 1, I have the 2. So that person's first one, Tatiana. You big up yourself, Tatiana. Still rated to this day, as you know, not disrespect you no time. You made a talk still. As you know, rated Tatiana. So next person is. I want me some video. Oh. You know what I want to know? So this girl I know, this next girl I know is like say, oh man, I'm tired. Oh yeah. Next girl, what am I forget her name? What name I forget her? Bonnie. Can't think of the name. Call her Queen Bun. Queen Bun, yeah man. Make fun that name, like Queen Bun. So, I will cut that still, I will cut all them pieces. The Queen Bun, I call her Queen Bun. The Queen Bun is like a mates now, like say, no time before me Tatiana, Queen Bun, you see me? So it's like this now. Hey everybody, used to tell me say the girl that give me bun. I mean now say no, she not give me no bun. Like a dove, as me I say like a dove. You might tell the people, men if you say. See your friend tell us say you tell her give your bun, and your brother, people you don't know. Somebody when know you and rate you tell you, and your own brother, your own siblings them, your cousin, and everybody tell us believe. Girl like your bun, you see me? So I mean now I'm saying, just a girl about one of them. That was the first freaking mistake that me about history. Anyway, let's me just a girl about one of them. So it's like this go on. Fear man it before she meet her, fear man it mash her up dog, you see me? I want to hear shreds. I mean cut everything I'm just side, everything apart. That time when I'm in old days I used to like I believe them I feel like water. You see me? still have them, but I not use them because I just have some cash. You see, I have to build up YouTube career, but I don't make nothing right now. So it's like this, could tell her about it. So she know I'm on mash up her life, blah blah blah. Like when I say me to mash up in life. I'm on mash up my life. So she know me and I start talk blah 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 blah, cut it short. So me and I start link now. We did. Me and I chat about school, everything what she do blah blah blah. She got church, you see me? She got church. I respect that. Church girl, you see, she's a church girl. So Queen Bun now said to me, like somebody said to me, say, I'm registered. My cousin said to me, say, yo, can't make them take my older cousin for that. My cousin for a dove or anything. So she said, man, I give it that woman, I give it to me. I said, I believe you, start there, man. She's not dancing and she's a good girl. So this is what she said to me now. She said, alright, no for nothing. So I fear my cousin best friend come to me and say same thing again. And she said, alright, I never believe that. So she get evidence. So let me look. Who am me like good? Who am me like good? When me look, this block. So this block. Boy, she sit down pan.
Oh, no, kill them the panda.
What? No, kill the panda. Why? Man ugly your fuck. Man ugly, me tell you, man ugly. Yo, sit down pan, man laughing at dog. And look at me, well freaking handsome. Well fresh in and professor the youth. You just like shit. You like shit. You this shit. You not make one. You just don't look half. The man will look neat and everything on white class. No, but that's a yeah. You have things to give one with smile where how you go swags. You see me, but it was nobody to us. You see you fucking ugly man? You totally are free. Whoa. So Senari, this was the first word. I know me. The picture, her face upon it, that is big smile. I know me. Like that idiot. I joke, she never said that. She never said that. This is what she said. She said, after a long time, I said, oh, family young, you know, all brains, rusty, nah, nothing in there. You see, all the you know, to get them and when they come on to court, we never know about them because we believe say, you know, we trouble nobody can happen here because they have a plan to kill up sometimes. You can't walk peacefully in the town. You know, you see my car chill with one man. Look in your back. I broke you like chicken. So, me now, I give back so, me now say, never know end it, so I say, yo, you call me two brother them, at this car money. Alright. And they say, yo, so you're a nice para? Like, good. You're done. I say, nah, the nice para? Like, I say, yo, I'm over. Me right it, zing, my phone ring. Me know, we just go to boom and answer. Why? She said, nah, this friend me number, but she not chat to me. Yeah, and you should talk about all day school, every freaking day. She said she have me to talk about. Anyway, she had a man lab, she don't have me to talk about. Don't do things, they don't do a life for me. And things are so. God, you know, me this ugly. If you pass a life of a moment with water, you want some water, you're free, you fetch people, thirsty, you're free. The place has to free. And say like bright now, put it. Be bright like a car. Yeah, this thing get brighter. I'm coming closer, so just give me bun. I'm like a real dog. You see me? Like King Bona. King Bona. Yeah man, King Bona. Yeah, Tatiana, I'm Queen Bona. You see me? I have King Bona. I'm King Bona. Bone collector. No like that, no day, no time again. Then things that can't run as songs you know. So she end up so my best friend number, my best friend do this, do that, and me still never admit. So I say no, I over my she go share go I'm good. Cut, go and separate ways, you see me. Yeah, Bye bye. Once more, psych. Forgot to say the ending. People, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment and enjoy the story. Which in the story is so freaking lame because I don't like it, and I just say, we just talk it without a vibe. That's it. When I put the vibe, it's more like it enjoy it because I'm open to enjoy it. So, well, whenever I read this freaking story, because you made me did something that I would never do. But I hope everybody lose the competition, so I'm going to post this shit because you all lose, you're going to talk your moment when. Oh, dear God. Jaja. You know what we should have do? We should have switched it around, you know. Him talk my story, and me talk his story. You know, so we all are, that should have gone actually, but I end up having to talk kind of know some parts. So, so, more on the enjoy, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment and check out my IG page, PRINCEZACH. Check out my fan page, PRINCEZACH fan page. You see me? Check out my gaming page, gaming with PRINCEZACH, and check out my gaming channel. So, if I lose, when I watch this video, when I reach 500 subscribers, you see me? I hope we get there, and get there after Tuesday, you see me? So I'm gonna have to post this. But if you end up seeing this, you see me, we're gonna like it, mash up the like button, mash up the subscribe button, destroy the like button till it turns blue, till it can't blue no more, just tap it one time, like, choops! You see me? And I'm gonna comment and just mash up the comment section, you see me? Be chattings, I'm gonna react to some chattings, I wanna think about this lame ass story. I'm going to tell about Tatiana and Queen Bun. You see me? You see, Tatiana and Queen Bun, I'm going to tell her, Tatiana now, you know, me do it now. You Tatiana bud, you know, dog. Yeah, dog. You say Tatiana can bust down, dog. Wicked man level. You see me? Tatiana can go on, dog. Things them, brother. You know, we'll come on. But Tatiana is bad, dog. We Tatiana out there. All of them. You see me, Tatiana, like on the next video, if you want them, you see me, none of them don't compare to Tatiana. Tatiana deserves blessings, you see me. So you know some out now, some open enjoy it and look over Thailand channel, you see I'm reach 500 and see this, but look from Thailand channel clearly, look at it because if you lose, you see us 12 o'clock Twitch Tuesday night, which is going to be a Wednesday, him too. If 500 subscribers catch before we reach that expiry date, me too. But me which me know I have a trump card already. You know my trump card, I'm going to lose. If me know trump card, I'm going to lose. So I have a trump card, you see me? My trump card is going to work very well. So I'm open the enjoy, you see me? Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out. Hit the like button. My bun time of my life. Bun around me get dog. I'm out.
Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Yeah, yeah. They was hating cause I'm popping. Try to hold me back, but I ain't never ever stopping. All this money on me, I feel like I just went shopping. She was trying to cut, but I told her that I got options.